Mayong buntag sir, video recording lang akong gigamit sir kay ang laptop ikuha na sa tagiya. So mo na lang akong intro sa akong video para mutuka nga ako dyan nagbuhat sa akong assignment. Salamat.
So mao ni ang assignment number 10, which is mao ni ang formula nga given nga naa sa model. So atong goal ani is makuha atong commission this month. So if the sale is greater than or equal 30,000, the commission must be 20%. And if the sale is less than 30,000, so the commission must be 1%. So para makuha na to ang commission, mogamit ta og formula which is mo to ang if. So the first thing to do is mo to diri sa insert, tapos ito to sa logical, and then plus ito ng if. So before greater than or equal 30,000, if the value is true, mogamit ta og before asterisk 20%. Matong ingon og ganiha. And if the value is false, mogamit ta og before asterisk 1%. Then mauna ang resulta. And then sa ubos, same process lang gyapon. Ito sa insert, logical, if B5 greater than or equal 30,000, if the value is true, B5 asterisk 20%, if the value is false, B5 asterisk 1%. Then diri mora gyapon logical, then if B6 greater than or equals 30,000, if the value is true, is gamit og B6 asterisk 20%. If the value is false, B6 asterisk 1%. Then sin process tingga po na diri hantod sa mahumanta. Logical, if B7 greater than or equal 30,000, if the value is true, B7 asterisk 20%. The value is false, B7 asterisk 1%. Then sa ubos, if B8 equal 30,000, the value is true, B8 asterisk 20%. If the value is false, B8 asterisk 1%. Then diri B9 B9 greater than or equal 30,000, if the value is true, B9 asterisk 20%. If the value is false, B9 asterisk 1%. And then diri mora gyapon logical if B10 greater than or less or equal 30,000. If the value is true, B10 asterisk 20%. If the value is false, B10 asterisk 1%. Mga resulta. And then last one, logical, then if B11 greater than or equal 30,000, if the value is false, true, B11 asterisk 20%. Then B11 asterisk 1%. Then mo na to siya, nakuha na to siya ang commission this month, and then mo na yung sales total and commission this month total. So let's proceed to another assignment. The base sa example is i-change na to ang column F. Lisda na to siya og ang threshold is na to 40,000. Tapos ang 20% mahimo siyang 50. And then ang 1% mahimo siyang 0%. So tanaw na to kung makuha ba na to ni commission hold with the formula F. So yung process lang yapon to gibuhat na ko ganiha. Now insert logical, then if. So B4 greater than or equal 40,000. If the value is true, B4 asterisk 50%. If the value is false, B4 asterisk 0%. So, ang resulta 0.00. So, tama itong nasa formula nga gihatag dito. And then, proceed ta diri sa ikaduha. Same process lang gyapon, wala na bag-o. Insert logical if B5 greater than or equal 40,000. If the value is true, B5 asterisk 50%. If the value is false, B5 asterisk 0%. Yes. Maulang gyapon ang resulta. Then, let's proceed to the next. Insert logical, then if B6 greater than or equals 40,000. If the value is true, B6 asterisk 50%. If the value is false, B6 asterisk 0%. And then the result is the same. And proceed to the next. Logical if B7 greater than or equal 40% if the value is true, B7 asterisk 50% if the value is false, B7 asterisk 0%. Lah, mali. Sorry. Focus to 0 deh. Okay. B8 ratol. B8 greater than or equals 40,000 if the value is true. B8 asterisk 50% if the value is false. B8 asterisk 0%. Then the next one, more gyapon. If B9 greater than or equal 40% if the value is true, B9 asterisk 50% if the value is false, B9 asterisk 0%. So it's the logical, then if B10 greater than or equal 100 equal 100 40,000 if the value is true, B10 B10 asterisk 50% if the value is false, B10 asterisk 0%. So the last one is logical, then if B11 greater than or equal 40,000 if the value is true, B11 rather asterisk 50%. And then if the value is false, B10 asterisk 0%. B11 rather. Lah. Mali udah. Okay. So, nakuha na to ang result sa gihatag ni sir. So, maora to. Salamat. So, ato na siyang i-rename. Sorry, kinaputol. Makalimot to. Asa gito dere? Charlie Kim Leonardo. Asa mo itong slash dere? Ay, pan. Okay, maano siya. Check.
So mo na ang continuation sa assignment number 10, which is kuha na to ang order size. Tapos ang gamiton na nato ani sa formula nga if is itong medium or small. So, same process gyapon itong ibuhat na to sa first assignment. Insert logical tapos if b4 is greater than or equals 6, if the value is true, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark, and then if the value is false, quotation mark, small, quotation mark. So mo ni siyang nakuha na to siyang order size sa aning formula. And then next is mo gyapon na tong buhaton. If b5 is greater than or equal 6, if the value is true, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark, the value is false, quotation mark, small, quotation mark. So ang size niya is medium. So proceed to sa ikatulo. Insert logical if b6 is greater than or equal 6, if the value is true, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark, if the value is false, quotation mark, small, then quotation mark. So nakuha na ito na, diba? Small. Then more gyapon logical tapos if b7 is greater than or equals 6, nagamit og 6 kaya itong age threshold, which is limit, is number 6. So nagamit og 6. If the value is true, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark. If the value is false, quotation mark, small, quotation mark. Diba? So B8 na ta. B8. If B8 is greater than or equal 6, if the value is true, is quotation, medium, then quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, quotation mark. Wala siya. Then proceed logical if the value, if b9 greater than or equal 6, if the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation mark, if the value is false, quotation, small, then quotation. Tingnan na siya kasayon. And then next, insert logical if b10 is greater than or equal 6, if the value is true, quotation mark, medium, quotation mark, the value is false, quotation mark, small, then quotation mark. Okay, in last part, logical if b11 is greater than or equal 6, the value if true, quotation, medium, quotation, value is false, quotation, small, quotation. So ingat lang ang process para makuha na to ang order size sa product. So maura to. So continue to sa last part, and based sa gi-instruct ni sir sa model is ang age threshold na 6 less than na to siya og 10.
And then atong buhaton is the same process lang gihapon, which is insert logical if b4 is greater than or equal 10, the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, quotation. Nakuha na to siya, guys. And then insert logical if b5 is greater than or equal 10, if the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, quotation. Okay. And then next, the same process lang gihapon. B4 is greater than or equal 10. If the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, and quotation. Okay. Okay, so next, logical if b8 is greater than or equal 10, B7 pa rin na mali ko. Insert logical if B7 is greater than or equal 10, the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, then quotation. Okay. Then proceed ta sa B8. If B8 is greater than or equal 10, if the value is true, quotation, medium, quotation. If the value is false, quotation, small, quotation. Okay, next, logical if B9 is greater than or equal 10, the value is true, gamit og medium. If the value is false, gamit og small. Okay. And then logical if B10 is greater than or equal 10, the value is true, magamit og medium. If the value is false, magamit og small. And here's the last part. If B11 is greater than or equal 10, if the value is true, magamit og medium. False, magamit og small. Okay, nakuha ito ng sizing niya. Mao na siya. Gets ninyo? Okay, salamat. Mao na to. So, mag-change na sa color wait, mali. Ano to? Yellow, tapos medium is Mara to guys. Salamat. Nalista na po na to ang pangalan.